Am I the only one that didn't know chickpeas could be this exciting? Let's make a killer chickpea salad sandwich. Grab a can of chickpeas and drain them. Now mash those chickpeas with a fork or potato masher until they're nice and chunky. Add in 2 tablespoons of mayo or Greek yogurt, whichever you prefer, and 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard for that tangy kick. Next, toss in 1/4 cup of finely chopped red onion and 1/4 cup of celery for some crunch. Sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of fresh parsley. Don't forget the salt and pepper to taste. Mix it all up until everything's beautifully combined. Now grab 2 slices of whole grain bread. Spread that flavorful chickpea mixture onto 1 slice. Top it with some fresh lettuce or spinach leaves for a bit of green goodness. Place the second slice on top and voila! You've got yourself a protein-packed, vegetarian-friendly chickpea salad sandwich. Easy, tasty, and oh so satisfying. Enjoy your lunch. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more yummy recipes.